All right, guys, this is the Top Bright Motor and Senses City Ramp Racer. It looks like it comes with 4 wood cars, and it has the little garages.
Yeah.
It's a good sensory toy. Visual perception skills, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skill. Alright, I think these pieces go up top. There's one. You just slide these 2 pieces on. There we go. Alright, Raylan, would you like a car? Here, Nash. Cool, guys. What do you guys think? You can fill up your gas. Pretend like you're filling up your car. Okay. You guys can put the car right here. There it goes. Ready? Keep practicing, you'll get it. Good job. Nice, dude. Oh. And you guys can park them in the garage. You see the garages?
Yeah.
Park them in there.
Oh.
Okay, should we drive the yellow car in? Can you put the yellow car in the yellow garage?
Yeah.
Here it goes. Driving through the garage.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Oh,
And then, when you're all done, you can put them in the garages,
no.
or you can park them up here. See, it has a P for parking. They all have numbers on it, so you can work on your numbers with your kids. Hey, Greer, let's see if you know your numbers. Can you find number 1? Where's number 1? Good job. Can you find number 3? Look at the numbers. What's 3? Your age. Good job. Nice. And number 4. Good job. And what does Nash have? Does he have number 2? 2, 3, go. Uh-oh, it got stuck. Good job. Nice. Make it straight. Good job. Look at it. Find the yellow garage. Good job. Park it. And then see if you can close it. Good job, honey. See, this is good. This is good practice for coordination. You can do it. I know it's hard. You gotta get it nice and straight. And then push it in. Push. Can you push it in? Good job. Now close it. Good. Now can you do green and red? The red one. Okay, put that in the red garage.
Out.
Good job, Ray. Oh, almost. Push them all the way in. And then close it. Good job. Now green. Put him in the green garage. Good. Wow, you got better. And then the blue, you can park him in here maybe. Good job, Ray. Yeah, and then this is where you get gas. You pull that out. Good, you like this new toy?
Yeah.
Good.
No,
What about you, Ray? Thumbs up. Good. So I realized I put these two pieces on the wrong way. So you just turn these two around so the arrows are facing out. And then let's try it.